Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add a photo on a CapCut. So first thing we're gonna do, you can do either start the new project by click this plus button, or you can also the previous project. For me today I want to use previous project, so I already have the video here and I want to put a photos on this video. I want to delete the last video first. Okay, and I want to add the photo here. So the things you have to do is just take a look on this bottom line. On the middle on this feature, you will see an overlay tools. You just need to click it and click add overlay. Since we want to add a picture, go into the photo section and add with which picture that you want to add into the CapCut. And now we can adjusting the size or crop this picture by sliding into the left side, the bottom options, until we find a edit, and then after that go into the crop. And now you can choose either you want to do it with the ratio that provided by CapCut, or you can also adjust it by yourself. So I want to do it by CapCut ratio. Okay, I want to adjust it first, and after you finish adjusting the picture size, we just need to click done. And now we already have this picture into the video. We still can adjusting the size and the positions of the photo by pinch click it until it is in a blue color, and then we can make it smaller by pinch the picture with 2 fingers of us. Okay, so I want to make it blend with the video. You can blend it and you can make it become either darken or lighten or filter or anything that you think it's suitable with the video. And after you're done, you just need to click done. And don't forget to make sure that the length of this picture is the same with the video on your project, so that it will be appear in the whole video you have. So that's all the way how you add photos on a CapCut application. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.